Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're looking at the best official soccer ball training size on the market right now, the adidas UEFA Champions League soccer ball. Whether you're training in your backyard or warming up before the big match, this ball is designed to bring a bit of Champions League flair to your game. Let's start with the design. Right out of the box, this ball grabs your attention. It comes in a vibrant multicolor pattern featuring shadow green and solar slime accents, inspired directly by the official UEFA Champions League match balls. It's not just a training ball, it looks like a collector's piece. But Adidas isn't just about looks, this ball is built for performance. The outer shell is made from durable polyurethane, giving it both a soft touch and long-lasting quality. It's machine-stitched, which means you're getting consistent paneling and tight seams that help it resist wear and tear. You can take it to training, scrimmages, or just casual kick-arounds, and it holds up. One of the standout features is the butyl bladder inside. For those unfamiliar, a butyl bladder is designed to retain air better than your average rubber one. So when you pump this ball up, you're not going to be topping it off every few days. It keeps its shape, which is exactly what you want when you're working on precision drills or passing accuracy. Now, this ball comes in multiple sizes 3, 4, and 5. That makes it perfect for all ages, from youth players learning the basics to adults fine-tuning their game. Just make sure to choose the right size when you're placing your order. Size 5 is the standard professional size, so if you're looking to replicate match conditions, that's the one to go with. The UCL logo is prominently printed on the ball, which gives it that authentic feel. It's not a replica, it's a club-level ball, meaning it's made to bring the style of elite European football to your everyday training. And yes, it does arrive deflated, so make sure you've got a pump ready because it does not come with one. On the field, the ball performs well. The grip on the surface is enough to give your foot good control, but it's not overly textured, so it still glides well when you're dribbling or passing. It's light enough to maneuver easily but has enough weight to give you feedback on every touch. It's a great balance, ideal for both beginners and experienced players. It's a great addition to any player's training gear, especially if you're a fan of the UEFA Champions League. The branding is subtle but stylish, the quality is high, and it's built to last. If you're looking to bring a touch of Europe's top club competition to your game, the Adidas UEFA Champions League soccer ball is a fantastic option. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you want to level up your training, this might be the ball to do it with. See you in the next review.